Hi guys, so today what we did, if you missed those Google Meets, is we did some notes and we did them a little bit differently than normal. For this first part, we did a little bit of collaboration to answer these two questions, and then the rest we used the video notes to complete these other parts of the notes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just fill you in on what you missed. For our collaboration, we used this map right here to answer this question: what physical features help China connect with other countries? When we talk about physical features, we mean like mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus, so on and so forth. Okay, so looking at this map, we're going to kind of brainstorm some physical features that would help China connect or trade with other countries. Okay, so here's the country of China. I see there's some rivers. That's pretty good for traveling, right? Especially before they had airplanes. You know, a lot easier to put stuff in a boat and trade that way rather than like having to carry it in a backpack or something. Next to oceans that could connect them to other countries, like you could sail to other countries. So rivers and oceans help China to trade and connect with other countries because it was easier to travel. Okay. So you can go ahead and copy that exact same answer down on your own notes. And I'll scroll down so that way you can kind of see it a little bit better. And why not just put it in bold as well? If you need more time to write this down, put the video on pause, push play when you're ready. All right, so now this one's a little bit harder. What physical features help China isolate from other countries? Oh, okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at the map. Here's China. So these rivers and oceans help them connect. There's a lot of rivers over here, so I'm going to guess I should look over here on this other half of China. I notice there's a desert here. I normally don't see a whole lot of people walking around or trading in a desert, so desert could definitely be something. The Himalayan mountains, Mount Everest is in the Himalayan mountains. And I know it's like a big deal if you get to the top of Mount Everest. So I'm guessing that's going to keep people from crossing from India into China a little bit, or Nepal into China. So that could be something. So you could go ahead and write that down. I'll go ahead and put the answer in bold. Mountains and desert prevented people from traveling into China, keeping it isolated. Go ahead and put the video on pause if you need more time to write that down. So there are two ways that those physical features helped China connect and stay isolated from other countries. All right, for this last part, you're going to go ahead and write down natural resources. This wasn't in the map, but it was in our discussion that we had after our Google Meet. And because China was so rich with natural resources, they were like, we don't really need to trade with other countries. We have everything we need right here. But also because they had a lot of natural resources, other countries were like, hey, China, you got any more fabric? Hey, China, do you have any more spices? And there was actually something called the Silk Road, which was not a road actually made out of silk, but it was a way to trade with China, a trade route that went all the way from the Middle East to China. Natural resources helped China connect and stay isolated all at the same time. So China is a little complex. For the rest of these, you're going to use the video notes to fill out the rest. When you're finished, you're going to review your notes and just fill out this little exit ticket kind of thing at the bottom. Level 1 question, what were 3 factors to influence ancient China? Level 2 question, choose one factor and explain how it prevented change in China. Good luck.